Choosing your first motorcycle is an exciting, pivotal step for any aspiring rider. With a vast variety of bikes available, making a decision can feel overwhelming. The right bike depends on several factors, like your riding style, body type, skill level, and even your long-term goals. Here's a detailed guide with essential tips to help you pick the right bike that matches your preferences and needs. 1. Define your purpose and riding style. Type of riding. Are you planning on city commuting, long-distance touring, weekend joyrides, or maybe some off-road adventures? The type of riding you envision will narrow down your options. Type of motorcycle. Motorcycles come in various categories, each with unique characteristics and suitability. Standard/naked bikes. Ideal for beginners. These versatile bikes have an upright seating position and a more balanced design, suitable for both city commuting and short trips. Cruisers. Known for a lower seat height, cruisers like Harley-Davidson models have a relaxed riding position, making them beginner-friendly. However, some can be quite heavy. Sport bikes. Built for speed and agility, sport bikes like the Kawasaki Ninja or Yamaha R series can be exhilarating, but are often high-powered and may not be ideal for beginners. Adventure/dual sport bikes. These are great if you want versatility for both on and off-road. They tend to be tall, though, which might pose a challenge for shorter riders. Touring bikes. Made for long-distance comfort. They're ideal if you're planning on doing extended trips but may be bulky and difficult for new riders. Decision point. Start by identifying what you want most out of your riding experience. A commuter bike will differ greatly from a touring or adventure motorcycle. 2. Consider engine size and power. CC rating. Engine size, measured in cubic centimeters cc, is a major factor in performance and suitability. For new riders, starting with a bike between 250 cubic centimeters and 500 cubic centimeters is recommended. This range provides enough power for safe highway travel without overwhelming speed. Horsepower and torque. These factors impact how quickly a bike accelerates. Lower horsepower is usually safer and easier to manage for beginners. Torque affects acceleration at lower speeds and can influence how smooth the ride feels. Decision point. Don't just look at the CC rating. Research the horsepower and torque as well. A lower power bike will make it easier to learn the basics of riding and handle unexpected situations. 3. Factor in seat height and ergonomics. Seat height. Being able to place both feet flat on the ground provides stability and confidence, especially when stopping. Consider your height and inseam to ensure you can comfortably reach the ground. Handlebar and peg position. Ergonomics are crucial to your comfort and control. Try sitting on various bikes to see which position feels natural and allows you easy access to the controls. Adjustability. Some bikes offer adjustable seats and handlebars, which can be an advantage if you need more customized ergonomics. Decision point. Sit on several bikes and even take some test rides if possible. Finding a bike with an ideal fit will make riding more enjoyable and less physically demanding. 4. Consider your budget and additional costs. Bike cost. The price of motorcycles varies widely. Beginners should look for reliable, used models or entry-level bikes that fall within their budget. Expect to pay around $3,000 to $5,000 for a solid entry-level bike. Gear expenses. Don't forget about gear. A helmet, jacket, gloves, pants, and boots are essential for safety. Budget an additional $500 to $1,000 or more for quality gear. Insurance. Motorcycle insurance is often more affordable than car insurance, but premiums can vary based on bike type, age, and experience. Smaller, less powerful bikes typically have lower insurance costs. Maintenance and repairs. Factor in the cost of routine maintenance, which is critical for motorcycle longevity. Some bike brands and models are more affordable to maintain than others. Decision point. Calculate your total budget, including the bike, gear, insurance, and maintenance. Sticking within your financial means will make the entire experience less stressful. 5. Evaluate the weight and size of the bike. Weight. Heavier bikes are generally more stable on highways, but can be difficult to maneuver, especially at low speeds. New riders may find it easier to handle a lighter bike initially. Size. Larger bikes with wide frames can be challenging to control for new riders. Smaller bikes provide a more nimble and manageable riding experience. Decision point. Consider a lighter, smaller motorcycle as your first ride. You can always move up to a heavier, larger bike once you've gained more experience. 6. Research reliability and maintenance needs. Bike reputation. Different brands and models have varied reputations for reliability. Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Suzuki are generally known for producing durable and low-maintenance bikes. Spare parts and repairs. Some brands have parts that are more readily available and affordable. Also, consider whether your local mechanic has experience with the model you're interested in. Decision point. A reliable, low-maintenance bike will save you time and money in the long run. Research online reviews and speak to mechanics to learn about the longevity and ease of maintenance for different models. 7. Think about resale value. First bike as a learning experience. Since your first bike will be your learning tool, it's likely you'll outgrow it. Look for models with good resale value so that upgrading won't be a financial strain. Popular models hold value. Some motorcycles, especially those from trusted brands or popular entry-level models, retain their value better than others. Decision point. Consider going for a model that's in high demand, as it will be easier to sell when you're ready to upgrade. 8. Consider safety features. ABS, anti-lock braking system. ABS helps prevent wheel lockup during hard braking, making it a crucial safety feature for beginners. Traction control. While not standard on all entry-level bikes, traction control helps manage power delivery to the wheels, reducing the risk of skidding. Lighting and visibility. Opt for bikes with good lighting, such as LED headlights, and consider adding reflective materials or lights to your gear to enhance visibility. Decision point. Choose a bike with ABS and good lighting at a minimum. Enhanced safety features will give you peace of mind as you build your skills on the road. 9. Take test rides and training courses. Test ride the bike. If possible, take a test ride to see how the bike feels. Many dealers offer test rides, or you can ask other riders you know to let you try their bikes. Consider a beginner's motorcycle course. Even if you know how to ride, a beginner's motorcycle course can help you become more familiar with bike handling and the rules of the road. Decision point. Taking a test ride and completing a training course can provide valuable hands-on experience, making you more confident in your choice. 10. Trust your gut feeling, comfort, and confidence. At the end of the day, go with a motorcycle that feels comfortable and gives you confidence. If you're constantly second-guessing the fit or the power, it may not be the right one. Avoid pressure from salespeople or peers. Friends, family, or salespeople might push you toward a particular bike, but trust your own judgment and needs. Decision point. A bike that feels right will be easier to handle and more enjoyable to ride. This gut feeling can be a great indicator of whether the bike is a good match. Choosing your first motorcycle is an exciting milestone, opening the door to a new way of experiencing the world. Whether it's the freedom of the open road, the thrill of weekend rides, or just the practicality of commuting, picking the right bike sets the foundation for a positive, safe, and rewarding riding experience. With so many options out there, taking time to research, consider your riding goals, set a realistic budget, and focus on safety features will make a big difference. Remember, there's no rush. A bike that feels comfortable, manageable, and fun will let you build your confidence and skills, setting you up for years of great rides and eventually new upgrades. If you found these insights useful and are eager for more tips on everything motorcycle related, from maintenance and gear to riding techniques and bike reviews, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest content. We're here to help you make the most of every ride and every adventure. Here's to the road ahead, happy riding, and welcome to the world of motorcycles.